Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am out shoe shopping. Yeah, I'm out shoe shopping, men's shoe shopping. So come with me as we explore this shoe store, okay? So guys, there are some nice name brand shoes here, yes, for men. But it depends on your style, what you want. You will find something. But if not, you have to continue shopping elsewhere. So come along with me as we go through the store, okay? Look at this pretty Crocs for men. Why the shoe stand empty? Look there. People ain't done with all the shoes. All the shoes. Size 13. Size 13. Alright, that shoes are Adidas. Oh, nice. It's pretty. It is pretty. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.